Okay gang, it's your girl Queen and I'm back with another lit hair video. So y'all, today I'm back with this video on this company called ISHOWHAIR. It's been a while. I totally forgot I had this company because I work with many other companies, so sorry if I'm well overdue with this video. So I made a wig with a straight bundles, and y'all, when I say this hair is very good quality. I just got it out of my box because it's been sitting there for a while. So I was like, okay, I might as well just pull it back out so I can finish this second video on the update. Okay, so we're finna pop her on really quick. Ooh. Yeah, when I say I haven't done nothing to this hair, I haven't done nothing to it. Literally just got it out of the box for the video because I had to do the second video on this hair. Okay, so she's been sitting in the box for like a month probably, and when I say this hair still feels so freaking good, it feels so freaking amazing. And for it to be sitting in the box for over a month and I'm just running my comb right through it, that is a plus. Okay, look at that. Super bomb. Perfect for the winter and the fall. Plus I'm not getting no shedding. I'm not getting no shedding. This hair is silky and it is soft. I don't know what texture this is, but I just know this texture is bomb. I absolutely love it. I compared it to some other bundles that I had. I compared it to some other bundles that I got. And when I say this quality was different from those, it was different. Like when I made the wig, I was like, oh yes, this hair is super bomb. Oh shit. Like when I made the wig, I knew the hair was bomb because of the quality and how silky it was. Okay, y'all, straight out of my box, out of my wig box. Did nothing to it but combed it out and put it on my head. But I will run a few passes through it with my flat iron so y'all can see how the hair is straight. But I really don't even need to run it through because it's already bone straight. I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 passes. Your girl's trying to get a thumbnail picture. Okay, so we're gonna just straighten it out a little bit on this side as well. I mean, it's nothing I can really do because this is straight hair, and when it comes to like straight hair, it's nothing you can really do because it is straight hair. Okay, and like I said, this is ISHOWHAIR. The price and everything will be listed in the description box below in case you guys want to, you know, check them out. And I did bleach my closure so that it can look more realistic. I'm gonna get the back a little bit. Y'all, this hair is so bomb. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm just running my comb right through it. Look at that. Super, super bomb. Yes, ISHOWHAIR. Let me try to get this side a little bit. Okay, and like I was saying, if you guys want to purchase this ISHOWHAIR, make sure y'all check out the description box below and purchase this ISHOWHAIR. I'm not sure if it's going to be like a discount code in the description box, because I don't got like the hair details about this hair, but I must say this is some super, super bomb hair, good quality hair. I'm running my fingers right through it. Okay, so yeah, oh, let me show y'all the back. Okay, so yeah, I want to thank Ishow once again for sending these bomb bundles. I made it to a wig. If you didn't watch the previous video, please go check out the first video. And yeah, and I will see y'all in my next video, Q&K gang. Stay tuned for lit videos from me and Ken. Stay tuned for, you know, the beauty videos, my personal channel, Queen Renee, and subscribe to my personal channel as well. And I will see y'all in my next video, Q&K gang.